Hey everybody, I just wanted to share a part of my recent testimony. I started a few months ago selling Arbonne, and I don't know, the Lord and I just had a moment, and I promised him that I would glorify and honor his word throughout that process to make sure that I shared the love of Jesus along with the product. And of course, I want to make that known on this platform too. Recently, I've been struggling with reading the Bible and wanting to read the Bible, and I've been seeing this all over my For You page, and I honestly just kept scrolling past it and was like, I don't want to spend the money. I have my own Bible, I can do it myself. And then finally I was like, I need this. So what's neat to me is that these are stories of the Bible, and I've always been very fascinated with these stories. So this story is about Hannah, and then it gives you a synopsis of the story, the verse or chapter to read, the outline of the story, and then it gives you the outline of how you can apply it in today's world and time. So if you are struggling with reading the Bible and getting plugged in, this truly is a perfect study for you. I've truly enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to read all the stories. It's awesome, and it's totally worth the hype that I've seen on TikTok. I love you guys. Jesus loves you. Don't forget that.